In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Figma prototype to your Behance presentation. It's a super simple process, so let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Behance account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, your hub of creative activity. From here, navigate over to your profile. You'll soon notice the option to create a project. Click on that, and you've set the ball rolling for your creative showcase. This part is essential as it prepares your Behance space to feature your latest Figma prototype. Now, let's move on to Figma, where the magic of your prototype comes to life. Open up the Figma file that holds the prototype you're eager to showcase. What you need here is the embed code, which is like a passport for your prototype to travel to Behance. To find it, delve into the Share options on Figma. You're looking for the option to copy the embed code of your desired prototype. Make sure you've got it copied because this will be vital for the next stage of our process. Heading back to Behance, you'll be greeted with a variety of format options to choose from. These include image, text, photo grid, video, embed, Lightroom, prototype, and 3D. At this juncture, it's important to choose wisely. Resist the allure of the embed or video and audio options. These are primarily meant for integrating with Adobe Creative Cloud or files directly from your own computer, which isn't what we're after. Instead, what's suitable for our task is the prototype option. This is tailored specifically to accommodate interactive prototypes, just like the ones you've lovingly crafted in Figma. Once you've clicked on prototype, the most exciting part begins. You're bringing in that embed code you've already copied. Simply paste your Figma embed code into the prototype field that's been provided for you on Behance. After you've pasted it, go ahead and click the embed button, and voila! Your Figma prototype is now beautifully nestled within your Behance project, seamlessly integrated into your presentation. It's a gratifying snapshot of progress, having your design so effortlessly set up and ready to view. And that's it, you've nailed the entire process. With this straightforward technique, your Behance project now boasts a smoothly integrated Figma prototype, adding new dimensions to your presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't hesitate to drop any thoughts or questions in the comments, and remember to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to bringing you more valuable insights in the next video. Until next time, keep creating amazing things.